guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope all of you are keeping safe and practicing social distancing. Vlogs देखना कितना अच्छा लगता है ना, स्पेशली जब इतने टैलेंटेड यूट्यूबर्स व्लॉगर्स इतना फ्लॉलेस परफेक्ट वीडियोस अपडेट करते रहते हैं. इट ऑल सीम्स सो ईजी. ऐसा लगता है व्लॉगिंग क्या है, सिर्फ कैमरा लेके बोलना ही तो है. राइट? Wrong. Vlogging is much more than that. So in this video I am going to burst that little bubble for you and going to give you a reality check. अगर आप vlogging में beginner हैं just like me, तो आप इस वीडियो से पूरी तरीके से रिलेट कर पाएंगे. And also those who are planning to start a vlogging channel, you should watch this. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. अरे क्योंकि वो ठीक से नहीं बोला है. And ordered. Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Set to move or sorry once again. ठीक है. Chirping. नहीं, change. Fine. अंडर स्किन बोलना है. थोड़ा डिसकंटिन्यूस हो रहा है बेस वाले में ना. मैं फिर से एक बारी बोलूँ. दिस इज अनदर मॉर्निंग एट कूर्ग. सॉरी, लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड. चेम्बरा पीक. यहाँ से प्लीज चेंज. सेकेंड पार्ट फिर से. सॉरी. You should definitely consider this city. फिर से ठीक है. From Delhi to Hyderabad via Delhi to Coorg via Hyderabad. And which was the last one? Take one single day for. Oh sorry. Once again. The hotel is very fine. ये सब मिक्सअप हो रहा है यार.
चेक कर रहा हूँ, नेटवर्क आ रही.
In Kalpetta or in Vaitri, it will save your traveling time as well as traveling cost. I can see something opposite of the grim. Something very wonderful is going to happen very soon. And finally, it's the sunset on first day of Coorg. We are ready for the third city, that is Mysore. We will be traveling now from Wayanad to Mysore. कुछ भी दिख नहीं रहा है. इधर चला मैं उधर चला, जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चला. It is 5 o'clock in the morning and we are all set to leave Coorg की गलियाँ. Book your accommodation in Kalpetta.
As expected, bus is late.
This is morning at Wayanad. If you can hear the chirping of the birds. खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. o'clock in the morning, and finally I'm seated. Now I can see breakfast to the dreamlands.
So, this is a tree which is called as cane tree.
This was a memorable time. So after resting for a while in Hyderabad, we are all set to take our journey onward. So bye to Abhi Falls. So we are ready to cover the third city, Mysore. We are now heading from
ಸರಿ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬರ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
It is definitely a thumbs up. I love Wayanad. I definitely love Wayanad. We are at the top of Brahmagiri Hills. The view from here is spectacular, breathtaking.
There is a story goes that there was a local youth called Karim Tandon who helped a British engineer to find the shortest route to Wayanad.
Oh no, बैटरी लो हो गई. अरे ये तो स्टोरेज फुल दिखा रहा है. यार इसकी बैटरी फिर से लो हो गई. कितनी रिकॉर्डिंग कर ली कि मेमोरी फुल हो गई. इसे चार्ज करना पड़ेगा यार, इसे चार्ज करना पड़ेगा. एक एक्स्ट्रा मेमोरी कार्ड खरीदना पड़ेगा. I seriously need to purchase one extra battery. Battery and memory card कितने भी ले लो कम पड़ जाते हैं. आफ्टरनून हो चुकी है और भूख बहुत ज़्यादा लग रही है. So we are out to search for some good breakfast options. I'm feeling very hungry. This is our lunch after waiting some time.
Eternity.
Which felt like eternity. We finally have this awesome lunch. The food has arrived, and after tasting it, it is super tasty, super proper, authentic. Idli, sambar is there. We are here at which restaurant is it?
Coffee Grove.
Coffee Grove. में नहीं आ रहा ये एक्चुअली टेस्टी है या हम लोगों को भूख इतनी तेज लगी है कि ये टेस्टी लग रहा है.
दोनों.
दोनों. Don't have any energy left in me to speak any further. Let me have my lunch first. Look at the food. This is our lunch. Variety of things in a single meal. मुझे ये एडिटिंग आज ख़त्म करनी है. वो क्यों नहीं रहा है. can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Let's do it. So these are some of the very common issues जो almost सबको आते ही हैं. सब लोग इसको अपने हिसाब से सॉल्व करते हैं, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है you get discouraged, because vlogging is lot more fun अगर आपको काम करना पसंद है and if you have a good company. Just check this out. If you think doctors only know about medicines and surgery and patients, so here is one person who is ready to prove you wrong. Dr. Bhaskar Krishnamurthy.
माफ करो.
अंधेरा कायम रहे.
Yo.
Reach after 12 to 13 hours. I will see you all tomorrow morning. It is clearly visible how much hungry he is.
Dupu Falls.
हम गलत बोल रहे हैं. इप्पू है वो शायद.
ऑन करती है. ठीक ना ठीक से. ओके चलो फिर से स्टार्ट करो ना.
स्टार्ट
कर दिया.
Actually, he wants to say I don't leave him with any other option. 1,
2,
3, go. Oh my God! See you in Mysore.
Hi.
Hi, bye.
See you in Mysore. इसके सिर पे नहीं गिरेंगे.
नहीं इतने बड़े नहीं है. धीरे धीरे.
अरे टॉय ट्रेन में बैठना.
We are now at Raja's tomb entrance. The timing, sorry, Raja's tomb entrance बोल रही. Little sunburn here. My clueless husband has no idea what to do after reaching up here.
In fact, I actually know what to do.
What?
Wipe off my sweat.
मुझे लगा वो मेरे ऊपर आ रहा है. मैं कैमरे में देखा. And my husband is doing stupidity. Stay with us. So the take note of this vlog is that every video that is uploaded, every vlog that is uploaded out there by anyone, it has gone through a lot of hard work. ठीक है, even though वो बहुत सिंपल लगता है, बहुत इजी दिखता है, बट उसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत होती है. सो ऑल आई वॉन्ट टू से इज़ देखो मगर प्यार से. ओके, आप वीडियो देखो, अप्रिशिएट द हार्ड वर्क, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आप फीडबैक दो, बट इन अ कंस्ट्रक्टिव मैनर. दिस वे you are actually helping the other person in growing. Okay, and that is the main purpose after all. Okay, so that was it for this vlog. I will see you all in next vlog. Till then, all of you please stay safe. Okay, bye bye.